Oh my god, this is finally happening. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna shoot a vlog. It feels so good to starting an intro video somewhere out of the house, and especially when you are at the airport. So I'll be vlogging my trip to Goa. We have just landed at the Goa airport. Couldn't shoot much at the Mumbai airport because we were super late for boarding the flight. Also, I have my friend Nishi with me. We have one more person who is traveling with us, but he or she doesn't wish to come in the video, so there is no force to anybody because I obviously ask people if they would like to come in the vlog or not, and I completely respect the privacy that a person wants to maintain in their own life. It's really early in the morning. It's around 7 o'clock right now, and we have already landed at Goa. We are here for 4 days. In 2021 my 2 trips have been already cancelled, and I was so furious about it, and somehow I never wanted this trip to get jinxed at all. Nishi and I have been just controlling our excitement level, like just no excitement at all until the day we reached here. So just looking forward to it, having all the fun and just the best next 4 days of our life. How was your road trip?
It was amazing.
Hi Yash! How did you like driving?
Really good.
Both of them are so tired of the morning flight. That's the third person who traveled with us, but he's not willing to reveal his he or she, I don't know, not ready to reveal the face. So directly from the airport we have come to the northeast part of Goa, which is filled with forest, and it's really beautiful. The roads are really scenic. Since there's a lot of more time for our check-in at the hotel, so we thought of exploring a bit of Goa beforehand. That's the entry point to Valpoi Forest and the sanctuary. You have to pay around 100 rupees for the car and per person. We are here at the Mahadev Wildlife, and apparently we had come here to see the Satrayam waterfall, but then we came to know that it is around 2 hours trekking to reach the fall one way, and since we have come directly from the airport, we thought of dropping the plan off. I really wanted to go to the fall, but everyone was not ready for it, and 2 hours is a lot, plus we are not even equipped for trekking right now, so we'll be doing it some other time. We did went inside the wildlife, saw a few things for a bit, and then came out. Right now we are heading towards Harvelium Falls, and even that's in northeast Goa, somewhere near to Valpoi town. One thing off the list, that's Harvelium Falls. That's where we are staying in North Goa. It's around 10 minutes away from the beach, and it's a good, nice, doable property, but not great. For 2 nights we are going to stay in North Goa, and for 2 nights in South Goa. So last time we stayed only in South Goa for 3 nights, so this time we thought might as well have it splitted up at both places, so that we can save a lot of time in traveling and can cover a lot of more places that we wanted to visit. Plan right now is to go to some cafe and grab some food, because we haven't really had anything since morning, and yeah, and then see sunset by the beach. So we are all ready to go. It's day 2 in Goa. Yesterday night we slept really early since we all were damn tired of the traveling, and today we are on a new adventure. We are going e-biking with Be Live, and looking forward to it. We have taken the Diwar Island tour with them. How is it?
Should be in the front.
Like this?
Yes. Hey, pakad.
क्या पकड़ूं?
बोले. Be live.
Guys, welcome to Diwar Island. Diwar Island is connected by 4 ferry services. This one is called as Old Goa Ferry Point.
Full sights while paddling. Houses here are so pretty. We have now stopped in between for a small breakfast. We are halfway to the trip and let's see what's awaiting ahead.
Cycles.
So late. This is the backside of the place where we had our breakfast and just look at this. This is so beautiful. I think the place where we had our breakfast is the place that we are going to stay next time for sure. It was just so beautiful. Yash thinks I won't send the picture until I upload it. Let's see if that's true.
Comment your thoughts.
I didn't even think about that. We have just completed our e-biking tour and trust me guys, every single penny of this tour was literally worth it. It was the best experience we ever had. Like, this is the first time I cycled in Goa, and that to Diwar Island, and it was very isolated with least amount of people. He's the person who took us around, and guys, you should definitely try this out if you are visiting. They have a lot of tours in other places in Goa.
So basically we have different slots for tours. We do e-bike tours as well as we have walking tours which we do. Plus we have e-bike in South Goa also, so if you are traveling to South Goa then you can actually
so check out BeLive, and I'll be linking their Instagram handle and website, and I'll be linking his Instagram handle as well down below, so make sure you guys check it out.
Perfect, thank you.
These are the kind of experiences that always stay and something that you'll always remember no matter what, and we started this morning on a very good note.
Absolutely worth it.
Did you enjoy? Why do you look sad? What happened?
I'm tired, I'm hungry.
Right now, after cycling in the morning, we then went to the room and rested for a while, and now we have left for exploring some cafes here in North Goa, and probably after that we'll see sunset by the beach like yesterday. This beach literally has more crowd than the Zoo Beach in Mumbai, and I wouldn't recommend anyone to come here. At the amount of crowd this beach has, I literally just cannot wait to explore the beaches of South Goa. Cafe is an eco-friendly cafe, and over here I have Nikita with me who is volunteering in this cafe. So can you just brief us about this cafe and how exactly the things work over here?
Okay, so the name of the cafe is Saraya, and Saraya actually started with Sarai. So Sarai means a place like for the travelers to rest. Okay. So something like that. So that is how Saraya started. And later when we went online, when they looked up online, they realized that Saraya also means to flow. Okay. So art, food, everything, it flows. It is no end and no start. So that's how the name came up, and this entire space has like a cafe, an eco stay, and also an art gallery. Okay. And we try to make everything from scratch. The food here, it's tried that the vegetables used is homegrown. Oh, wow. It's organic, and also we serve all sorts of vegetarian and also vegan. We are making it as much as eco-friendly as possible. Even the plates used here, everything. We use wood-fired pizzas. That is, we have this oven that is made up of mud, and that is wood fire.
Concept is so great, and the ambience and everything over here, and it's completely eco-friendly. And since I'm a vegan, there are a lot of vegan options here. So yeah, let's see how the wood fire pizza tastes. Thank you so much, Nikita, for introducing us to this wonderful and beautiful cafe. It's our last morning in North Goa, and after this we are heading right away to South Goa, where we are going to stay for the next 2 days. And on the way we are visiting one church, that is May de Deus, and I have heard that it's a really beautiful and historic church. It's showing me around 9 minutes from our hotel. It's the third person, Yash, and me who is heading towards the church. Guys, say good morning. Third person won't speak. We have come to the famous Para Road, and it's filled with coconut trees on both the sides. It's just so beautiful. Wow. Clicking pictures here. There is car coming every moment, and so much public as well. Wait.
Who are you clicking?
The third person picture. This road is literally hyped after the Dear Zindagi shot when Alia Bhatt was cycling over here. But anyways, look at that. It's really pretty. Not that it's not worth coming here, but I have visited this a lot of times even before. And this time also I made it a point to come here. From the Para Road now we are heading directly to South Goa, and I'll be ending my first vlog of North Goa right over here, and we'll start a new vlog right after this. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. If you have, then don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe to my channel if you are new here or if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the second vlog that is gonna come up. Thank you for watching this video. Lots of love and see you next time.